will show you the technique I use to get my hands on thousands of very high quality advertisers. So I'm using a free tool called Automa. This is a Chrome extension, and I will give you the link down below. So the way this workflow works is that this is looking for keywords in a Google Sheet, then opening a tab inside SEMrush. So SEMrush is a paid tool, but if you're inside my community, I'll give you a secret way to get it for a lot less than what they are usually charging. So then it goes through the list and then downloads CSV files. So if I was to do that manually, so I have a list of keywords in here. I'll just put my keyword inside the keyword magic tool in SEMrush here. As a next step, I'll have a list of websites that are ranking for this keyword. And then I look for advertisers inside this list. So I know for a fact that 4 people are advertising on these keywords. So I click on 4 people. And then here you see that there is a tab where we can see the position changes, competitors, and then the landing pages. So I need to click on competitors, and from there I'll have a list of everyone that advertises for this specific keyword. So I'll just need to click export here, CSV, and then you'll see that I'll have a CSV file that contains a lot of valuable information. Because I can filter by relevance, and then I can filter by who spends the most. This is not 100% accurate. This is even very far from accurate, but this gives us a good idea of who advertises on what keyword. So this is the manual process. Obviously, I don't want to be doing that manually because it's very time consuming. So I've automated the system. Once you have your list of keywords, once you have the workflow running, and if you are within my free school community, you can get your hand on the workflow and just deploy it in a couple of clicks. So all you need to do here is to go to workflows, then press the arrow, import workflow, and then you'll have a JSON file. You just need to modify the credentials to have your own Google Sheet in it. So as a next step, you will want to add all your CSV file into a folder, a Google Drive folder, and then you will use Google Colab to combine all the CSV files into one. So if you are inside the free school community, you get access to this code. You just need to copy and paste it. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have this into the first section. Press the play arrow. Just allow the Google Colab to access your Google Drive folders. And then you will be able to get your Google Drive folders all in there. And then you will go into the copy access path and paste it in here. So this is obviously for the folder containing your CSV files. And then you will want to change the destination URL here. So once you have that, you'll want to have Airtable database. So that's a really, really simple one. So just with the domain of the given advertiser or potential advertiser. So this is really important because you want to make sure that your messages are relevant to the people that you are sending it to. So you want to filter out all the news websites, all the blog articles and all that. So if you were to do that manually, you would spend a lot of time doing it or employ a VA to do it. The system does it automatically. So the way it works is that by clicking this checkbox here, it sends a webhook request inside the AI researcher. So let me just show you the process. So to build it, you need to have, so name is mandatory, URL status checkbox. So the status is whether this company is worth contacting or not. And then the record ID here is a formula. So the formula is just record underscore ID. Then here, just make sure that you close the parentheses. Here you can hide the field. And then there is a single automation. So this automation checks that the checkbox is checked. Then it will run a script. So again, I'll show you what the script looks like. So you can just make a screenshot, or you can join the free school community and get access to this code. So this is very easy. It just passes the record ID. By passing the record ID, we actually get access to the data. So the data that we are looking for is the website URL. And then it creates a post request. So this post request is sending the URL to perplexity.ai. Here you want to make sure that the model you are using is online, so that it has access to the internet. And the answer that we are looking for here is just a simple yes or no. So as a next step, you want to make sure that you are updating the record inside Airtable. So here, if it contains yes, then this is going to update as worth contacting. And if it's not, obviously, this is going to update as not worth contacting. So you might be asking, why do I not get the answer to be worth contacting or not worth contacting? Well, just because the AI sometimes acts a little bit weird, so it might give you explanations, or it might do it might write some weird stuff. Here, if I just go for yes or no, and make sure that if the message contains yes, then it updates as worth contacting, and if no, it updates as not worth contacting. I'll just master the process a bit better. So that's it. It's quite a simple process, but it's really powerful, because once you get a list of advertisers, then it's really easy to find the contact details of people from those websites. So this is